Va! Welcome to Memory Science Academy. Welcome to a community where we believe that learning can become easier, faster, and more enjoyable when you understand how memory and learning actually work. What is Memory Science Academy? Memory Science Academy is a learning community dedicated to helping people develop better memory, stronger concentration, faster reading, and smarter study skills through practical techniques and regular practice. This is not just a place to collect memory tips, it is a place to learn, practice, experiment, and improve. Who is this community for? This community is for students who want to remember more and study more effectively, parents who want to help their children become better learners, teachers and educators interested in learning techniques, working professionals who want better recall and learning ability, anyone who wants to improve their memory and mental learning skills. You don't have to believe that you have a great memory already. You simply need the willingness to learn and practice. What will you learn here? Inside Memory Science Academy, we will explore practical methods such as link and story methods, peg and hanger memory systems, memory palace techniques, concentration and focus strategies, speed reading techniques, study and revision skills, faster learning and recall, exam preparation strategies, memory challenges and practical exercises. And most importantly, we will learn how to apply these techniques in real life. Our philosophy, our philosophy is simple. Don't just study harder, learn how to learn better. Memory is not merely a fixed gift that some people are born with. With the right understanding, techniques, and practice, memory can be developed as a practical skill. What should you do first? If you are new here, don't just scroll through the posts. Introduce yourself in the comments. Jeff, tell us 1. Your name. 2. Whether you are a student, parent, teacher, professional, or learning enthusiast. 3. One thing you would most like to improve. Memory, concentration, reading speed, study skills, or recall. This will help us understand our community and create content that is genuinely useful to you. Welcome to Memory Science Academy. Let's learn, visualize, remember, recall, apply. Thus, NC Roth, memory trainer, speed reading expert, study skills technician.